Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Qualcomm Atheros QCA9377 disconnects periodically in Windows 11, 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Click Configure. Click Advanced tab. Select Roaming Aggressiveness and select Highest. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.